Beautiful, spacious living area, super spacious, sleek and stylish kitchen, luxurious, super stylish master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we have reached Prestige Southern Star situated in Akshay Nagar, Bengaluru. Like you know, we have come here for the sample flat tour. I'm going to show you some really luxurious and amazing sample flats. But before that, let me show you the area and where the property is located. Well, firstly, right behind this super luxurious Prestige Group's board, we have our ultra luxurious property placed. And towards my right hand side, you can see that is the sales office of the Prestige Southern Star. I would like to show the neighborhood of this particular property. As you can see, we have this very beautiful and scenic neighborhood for this beautiful, luxurious property. Well, before we go and have a look at our sample flats, I want to give you some information about Housey. So Housey is the first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers with developers. With this, you get bottommost price guaranteed. Not just that, I'm sure most of you must have experienced the frustration of making inquiries online only to be hit back with calls from various brokers. But at Housey, you can rest easy because the listings are done directly by developers, so there's no broker who comes into picture. Well, this was information you had to know about Housey. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious flats. Come on. Okay, so now we have reached our super luxurious properties 3D elevation 3D model of our Prestige Southern Star located in Akshay Nagar, Bengaluru. Well, firstly, this particular property is spread across land parcel 32.5 acres consisting of 14 towers. As you can see, we have 14 towers in this particular super luxurious property. Variants being 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3, 3.5, 4.5 BHK. Now let's talk about the amenities. As you can see, this 3D elevation shows us the ultra luxurious amenities this particular property provides, consisting of swimming pools to multi-purpose court to clubhouse to jacuzzi area to tennis area and so on. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Well, the connectivity of this super luxurious property is to Electronic City, Horseshoe Road, HSR Layout and Bannerghatta Road in just 15-20 minutes of radius. Okay, so now we have reached our sample flat for the tour, which is a 2 BHK flat. Let's go and check out our luxurious flat. Come on. So as soon as we enter, as you can see, we have this beautiful, spacious living area over here. As you can see, this area is being placed for the dining purpose. As you can see, there are 4-seater dining table accommodated over here. And we have a pretty spacious, big, luxurious, fancy looking living area. And we have TV unit right opposite to our living area where you can place your TV. And towards my right hand side, we have this beautiful balcony which is super spacious, super big. It has a beautiful scenery, foreseeing lush greenery and a lot of nature and calmness. We have a big balcony over here which gives you good light and ventilation for your living area. Now let's go and check out our kitchen. Well, this is our super spacious, sleek and stylish kitchen. As you can see, we have L-shaped slab which is provided here for us, with a lot of storage and cabinets for the storage purpose, which is up and even down below. We can see a lot of storage space. And as you can see, this area is specially designed for keeping your refrigerators, which will occupy a very less space. And here we have vegetables or utensils, sink with a lot of storage, and we have a utility which is connected to our kitchen, which is pretty spacious. And we have a lot of room here for you to keep your dishwashers or washing machines as in how you like. So this is a utility area which comes with the kitchen. Now let's go and check out our room number 1. before that, let's see our common washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. We have a big window for good ventilation and light, and also we have a big mirror which is there with your sink. So this is our common washroom. Now let's go and check out our room number 1. This is our room number 1. As you can see, very beautiful, very spacious, has a lot of space to move around the bed. A good sized bed can be accommodated over here. Also, as you can see, we have this big, huge windows right next to the bed, which will give you good light and ventilation in your room. Also, we have TV unit right opposite to our bed, where you can place your TV, you can sit back, relax, Netflix and chill. Also here we have these cabinets for your storage purpose, which can be used. So this is our room number 1, pretty spacious and very luxurious looking. Now let's go and check out our room number 2. Before we go and check out our master bedroom, I want to give you some information about Housey. So at Housey, we give you sample flat tours, actual location tours, 360-degree virtual tours, pros and cons of a particular project, pricing details including EMI and down payment details. After all this, if you like the project and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is go and book your free site visit by clicking on the link given in the description box. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious master bedroom. Come on. So this is our super luxurious, super stylish master bedroom. We have a lot of space. As you can see, we have this beautiful closet for your storage purpose. Also, this area can be used as your dressing area, and this can be used for your TV unit, or it can also be customized according to your likes and dislikes. You can make a study or a workstation as well. And we have this big windows here, which gives you good light and ventilation to your room. Also overseeing a beautiful nature, lush greenery garden, which gives a very nice and scenic view to your bedroom. Also, master bedroom has an attached washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, a big window for good light and ventilation, and also a mirror for you to groom up. So this is our master bedroom. Okay, so this was our 2 BHK sample flat tour at Prestige Southern Star by Prestige Groups. Well, if you like this project and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is register at thehousey.com. Also, if you want the e-brochure for this particular project, you can get that by clicking on the link given in the description box. Not just that, if you have any positive or negative feedback regarding the videos, the location, the property, the developers, you can let us know by dropping it on the comment section below. Last but certainly not the least, do not forget to subscribe Housey for more such informative and amazing home tours. Thank you. Take care.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.